Are you not getting your Facebook notifications? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. If you have allowed all notifications on Facebook but is still missing some, then to fix this glitch, you may need to go to Setting and Privacy. After that, Notifications. Then find More Activity About You. If it's turned on, then toggle it off and wait for some time. This will fix the glitch and you will start getting every notification of your Facebook account. However, if you're getting trouble to finding these options, go to our website. Link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.